Good morning, students. In today's video, let's begin with a new chapter, The Secret Pleasures of Reginald, written by Sir P.G. Wodehouse. Sir P.G. Wodehouse's full name is Sir Pelham Grenville Wodehouse, and he was born in the year 1881 at Guildford in Surrey, England, and he died in the year 1975 in Southampton, New York. He was an English-born comic novelist, short story writer, lyricist, and playwright, best known as the creator of Jeeves, the Supreme Gentleman's Gentleman. He wrote more than 90 books and more than 20 film scripts and collaborated on more than 30 plays and musical comedies. Wodehouse was educated at Dulwich College, London, and after a period in a bank, he took a job as a humorous columnist on the London Globe in the year 1902, and he wrote freelance for many other publications. After 1909, he lived and worked for long periods in the United States and in France. He was captured in France by the Germans in the year 1940 and spent much of the war interned in Berlin. In 1941, he made 5 radio broadcasts from there to the United States in which he humorously describes his experiences as a prisoner. Some of his novels includes A Damsel in Distress, The Coming of Bill, The Gem Collector, The Girl on the Boat, The Good Bat, etc. His story collections include Jeeves Takes Charge and Other Stories, The Man Upstairs and Other Stories, and few of his stories are Ahead of Schedule, The Autographs Hunter, The Best Sauce, Black for Luck, and many more. Wodehouse took a modest attitude to his own works. In Over 70, which was written in 1957, he wrote, "I go in for what is known in the trade as light writing, and those who do that, humorists they are sometimes called, are looked down upon by the intelligentsia and sneered at." Wodehouse began by writing public school stories and then light romances. It was not until 1913 in Something New, published in England as Something Fresh 1915, that he turned to farce, which became his special strength. He had a scholar's command of the English sentence. He delighted in vivid, far-fetched imagery and in slang. His plots are highly complicated and carefully planned. So that's it for the author's introduction. See you in the next video. Until then, take care.